To pick one thing, and I know you're probably going to say I can't, because I know it's the people, it's the technology, but is it that proprietary, I'm going to call it software, that system that you have, is that what makes this really work?
It's not one thing, unfortunately. It's a combination of the people, the systems, and the process ultimately. And if you have any one of those missing, it won't work.
Yeah.
That's why there's 3 lines on here, isn't it?
The 3 jelly beans.
Yes. I mean, he just mentioned 3 things, and it goes into Xcentric.
Yeah.
It's what it is. So I mean, it's got to be what that is, right? The people, the process, and
the system.
And the systems.
Yeah, that's the way it has to work. And as I mentioned earlier, if you don't have the right people, the right mindset, it's just not going to go. And if you have systems that fall apart when you have a perturbance somewhere, that doesn't go either.
Work.
Yeah.
What's the next thing? What's the latest news, or the next innovation, the next investment?
Well, what we're really doing now is getting to be excellent at this, right? There's always more to do. And this comes back to my Swiss experience. I had the pleasure of working in the top company in my past industry. And when you see what it really means for a company to perfect something just doggedly for decades, and then going back and applying that someplace, there's so much you can still accomplish even with the same basic idea. So I actually don't need to reinvent the wheel. I don't need to reinvent the company. I don't need necessarily to get the latest, greatest technology on some things. I just need to execute like hell on what we're doing today and see that the team gets that and works with me to accomplish that. And there's a lot we can still do there. And so it's exciting.